Hello, my lovely Aquarius. I welcome you all with my whole heart, and I'm very happy that you are back on my channel. And thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. And I am here for your bonus messages. Let's see what are the bonus messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius all over the world. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more and more messages for yourself. Let's see what are the I'm going to use my animal spirit guide oracle. Let's see what animal spirit wants to tell you. Okay, already I have discussed, I have already done your main reading and the extended reading, and you can have a look on that too, Aquarius. One more thing, I'm going to repeat that thing in this too, that I saw a dream today morning, and in that dream I saw 6 small yellow birds baby, okay, which were flying in the house and entering in the house and getting out of the house back, and one of them, the last sixth one, was left out behind and fall on the floor. That sixth one was a very small yellow bird, okay, and that was someone, a small bird, was not in a good shape, I can say, in a good condition, that was very dirty, okay, but someone hold that bird and make the bird fly again, and that fly again, okay. So I don't know what that does mean. Maybe some of you need that message, that's why I'm going to repeat this message again. So maybe this dream means, or according to my interpretation, I am going to tell you that this dream is for those Aquarius which needs more strength, more courageous, that you are going to fly again, Aquarius. Okay, you are going to fly again. Okay, whatever has happened in your life, that does not going to bother you. You are going to fly again. Okay, the God is there to help you out, who will make you help to fly again very soon. Let's see what are the bonus messages for you, my lovely Aquarius. What is the animal spirit guides want to tell you? Okay, help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. See, that's what I was telling you. Trust in divine detours, co-ed spirit. Trust in divine detours is the first message for you. What are the messages? Okay. Turtle spirit, vulture spirit and owl spirit. Beautiful. 666. 603 is the number for you, Aquarius, that I have done in the previous also. Turtle spirit. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Turtle spirit. Vulture spirit. Nothing is wasted. Very important, Aquarius. You need to know that nothing is going to be wasted. And owl spirit, you see clearly now, exactly now, there is no confusion. You see clearly through a situation. You are guided by your intuitions. Focus on your intuitions, Aquarius. Now you can see clearly. Let me see any other message. Starfish spirit, open to infinite possibility. Open to infinite possibility, Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Too many messages, Aquarius. Okay, there was one more card here. See, bottom of the deck I am having porcupine spirit. Time for beginner mind. Yes, time for beginner mind is the message for you. So yeah, these are the messages, more messages which I'm going to tell you right now. Let's see. Elephant spirit, learn from the past. Very important, learn from the past, Aquarius. Fox spirit, think on your feet. Do not dependent on anyone. You are already abundant of everything, Aquarius. You have unique and great qualities other than any zodiac signs, Aquarius. Okay, you have great capabilities. You can do anything, whatever you want to do. Do not think on your own feet. Okay, believe on yourself, not on others. Learn from the past. Then antelope spirit, life is speeding up. Life is speeding up is the message. And rhino spirit, overcome any obstacle. Yes, overcome any obstacle. Lion spirit, be generous of spirit. Be generous of spirit is an important message. So very important messages I'm getting you, Aquarius, that slow and steady wins the race. Trust in divine detours and learn from the past. Learn from your mistakes. Okay, learn from the past. Whatever happened has happened for a good cause. Just learn from those things and move ahead. Okay, leave them in the past and move ahead. Learn it and move ahead. And think on your own feet. Okay, Aquarius, believe on yourself. Don't believe on any other person or any other that they will do something for you. No, you have to do on yourself. Believe on yourself, Aquarius. And life is speeding up. Overcome any obstacle. And very important, owl spirit, you can see clearly now. Now you are becoming more intuitive day by day, and nothing is wasted. Okay, Aquarius, nothing is wasted. So don't worry at all. Whatever has happened, you will going to get back from the universe in doubles. Okay, Aquarius. So these are the messages from the animal spirit guides. Thank you so much, animal spirit guides, for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let's add some Moonology oracle cards, oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages from the Moonology deck. Let me see what are the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to give the best positive messages. Okay, work through your fears, Aquarius. New moon in Scorpio. You have to work on your fears. Work through your fears. Work through your fears, Aquarius, is an first message for you. And second message, very important, what do you need to release? You have to think that what do you want to release, Aquarius? What are the messages? You and your loved ones are safe. So do not have to worry about it, new moon in Cancer. You and your loved ones are safe, Aquarius. You do not need to worry about your loved ones. Okay, because luck is on your side is the next message. Luck is on your side. You do not have to worry about yourself and your loved ones. You're already a blessed person. 0808 was the recording reading time. Divine is there to help you out. Divine is protecting you in every single manner. So trust yourself, Aquarius. Okay, work through your fears. There is something which you need to work through your fears. And what do you need to release? There is something which you need to release. So release as soon as possible. Any other message? Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Step out of your comfort zone. Every time I got a message, same message in every reading. Okay, for you, Aquarius, step out of your comfort zone. Okay, step out of your comfort zone is a message. Some of you have to step out of your comfort zone. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. So new person is going to enter in your life. New romantic cycle is going to begin for you. But you have to release your fears or something you need to release. You need to release them. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? Oh, no. Any other message? 1 minute. Any other message? Okay. Wow, this I saw just now. Your hard work is going to pay off. That's what message in the previous deck too, from that too. Nothing is going to be wasted. Whatever is you are working hard, you are going to get double, Aquarius. Your hard work is going to pay off. New moon in Capricorn. And expect powerful change. Very powerful message, Aquarius. Expect powerful change. Wow. I love doing your readings, Aquarius. I love doing your readings. You are my favorite one. And I love you all. My beautiful magical beings all over the world. I love you all. Because I know that you are very strong personality. You are very powerful. You are very powerful and you can do anything. It's time to release negativity is the bottom of the deck I am having. Work through your... It's time to release negativity. Time has come to release negativity. Very important. And don't let pride get in your way. Don't let pride get in your way. So these are the messages from the Moonology deck. I hope I help you out in some manner. It's time to release negativity. Okay? Time has come to release your negativity, Aquarius. Luck is on your side. You have to get out of your comfort zone. Okay? Work through your fears. So yeah, these were the messages for my beautiful, lovely, magical beings, Aquarius all over the world. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius all over the world. So let's see. 1 minute. Sorry, I need to adjust myself. So yeah, let's see what are the messages from the Grace cards. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Proud of you, Aquarius. I don't know why I am saying I have to say this because they are telling me to say you. Someone wants to hear this message. Some of you Aquarius have to listen this message that I am proud of you. God is proud of you. I am proud of you, Aquarius, because I know that you are going through a lot of things in your life and you are taking them very gracefully and moving ahead with all confidence. And you are wonderful, beautiful person in life. Growth. Accept the lesson when things do not go our way. Something more important to the growth of our soul is in the work. Yes, Aquarius, you have to look about your soul. Some lessons you have to learn. Okay, so accept the lesson when things do not go our way. Something more important to the growth of our soul is in work. So growth is the first message. Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay. Chance. Take the leap. Divine protection is always by your side. Yes, very important. Take the leap. Full energy, full card energy, and that was there too in your main reading too, that you are taking a leap of faith, and very important. That's why I'm getting proud of you, Aquarius, because you are taking a leap of faith and you are trusting universe, you are trusting yourself and taking a leap of faith. Very nice. Proud of you. Gratitude. Very important and beautiful message, Aquarius. Be thankful. A grateful heart is like a magnet drawing towards is a wealth of abundance. Always be in a gratitude. Okay, Aquarius. Always thank you. Say thanks to every single thing, whatever God has blessed you in your life. Okay. So be grateful. Be thankful. Whatever you have received in your life, because many of them have not received in their life whatever you have received in your life. So be in a gratitude mode. Receive. When we open ourselves up to others, we open ourselves up to the abundance of the universe. So be a receptor, Aquarius. Be open to receive. You need to receive. You have to open up to receive, Aquarius. Okay, so you have to be more open so that you can receive all the things which are there for you from the divine, from the universe. So yeah, any other message which I need to deliver to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me out. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Surprise. Keep an open mind, Aquarius. The influence of grace is often found in an unexpected place. So some surprise is there for you. Keep an open eye. Keep an open eye. And let me know what surprise you get, Aquarius, okay? So surprise is there. Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Okay. Rest. And they are asking me to stop. Okay, I will stop here. So these are only messages for you. Take a mental break, Aquarius. A quiet mind has a direct access to wisdom and insight. One thing I want to talk to you, Aquarius, that being an Aquarius too, I can tell you that we sometimes overthink on a situation. Okay, so don't overthink again and again. Don't think again and again on a situation. You need to keep your mental break. Just put a pause on your thoughts. Don't think too much on a situation. Okay, so you have to take a mental break. A quiet mind has a direct access to wisdom and insight. Once your mind is on a peace, then only you will get to know your answers. Okay, Aquarius? So yeah, very important message for you that today is growth, chance, gratitude, receive, surprise and rest. These are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Thank you so much for giving the best message which need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Okay, so let me see what are the messages from this deck. I love this deck too. The pictures on this deck are beautiful. So let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius? Marriage. Owl. Okay, let me see. You are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. Some of you are getting married very soon, Aquarius. You are attracting unconditional love in your life. Wow. Beautiful message. Owl is coming again. You are getting more spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transition. Yes, Aquarius, you are getting more intuitive. Okay, you are getting downloads from the universe. You are getting more wisdom. You're getting your great wisdom to be found. Okay, during the period of transition. Your transition period is going on right now, because this is the age of Aquarius. If you don't know this, I am going to tell you that this is the age of Aquarius. What does that mean? That Aquarius is the only humanitarian sign on the earth who will bring the frequencies, okay, who will uplift the frequency of the earth by helping people, by loving, by creating unity, by telling each of person on the earth that love, unity, peace is very important in life. So yes, wish, your heart desire is ready to come true. Wish fulfillment. Nine of Nine of Cups energy. So yeah, you were leaving a situation. 8 of Cups. In the main reading, I told you this. And now your wish is going to be granted very soon, Aquarius. Your wish is going to grant. Your heart desire is ready to come true. Wow. Once you done your healing, once you done your inner work, your wish is going to granted. Some of you are getting your wish fulfilled. And let me know too if you want to share that. Wow, superb messages. Any other message? Okay. See, one more confirmation. Luck is on your side, Aquarius. You do not have to worry about anything. You are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities ahead. Luck. Important message and very beautiful message. One more confirmation from other deck that luck is on your side. Goals. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. Very important. Let me see any other message from my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Any other message? Any other message for my Aquarius which I need to deliver? Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? They're saying no. Okay. Judgment is the bottom of the deck. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. Judgment is there at the bottom of the deck. Soul searching will bring inner peace, Aquarius, in many areas of your life. You need to search yourself. You have to work on yourself. Very important messages and very beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful Aquarius message which I need to deliver to all of you. Okay, so thank you so much. So let's see. Let's add some messages from the Power of Surrender cards deck. Okay, so yeah, right now everyone has to surrender something in life so that we can achieve something beautiful in the life. Surrender those negative thoughts which are creating a block in achieving the goals which we are manifesting a lot with a lot of time, okay, in our life. So let's see what are the things which we need to surrender. Okay, let me see what are the messages. What are the messages? What are the things which we need to surrender as soon as possible? What are the messages? Help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Surrender to trust. Trust yourself and your decision, Aquarius. Don't be swayed by others people's strong opinion about what to do. Take action and be confident that you have chosen the right path. Very important. Trust yourself. Do not think about other people. You have chosen your own path. So trust yourself. Very important message. Very important message. And this is very important. Surrender the idea you can fix someone. It's time for a relationship to shift. It doesn't work to try fix someone. Each person must be accountable for his or her healing. You cannot fix any other person, Aquarius. You can only work on yourself. Okay, you can only fix yourself. You cannot fix any other person. Okay, so surrender the idea that you can fix someone. Okay, you have to surrender the idea that you can fix someone else. Okay, you cannot fix someone else. You can fix only you. You can work on yourself. 2233 was the recording reading time. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? Any other message? Oh, any other message? Okay. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay. Surrender obsessive thinking. If you are obsessing about a person or situation, turn the dilemma over to the spirit. Doing will be help bring you clarity or even solve problems. Surrender obsessive thinking, Aquarius. Maybe some of you are obsessing on something or some person or some relationship. You need to surrender as soon as possible. Okay? Leave on spirit, leave on divine, leave on gods. They will help you out. They will take the decision on your behalf. They have decided best for you, okay, which you deserve. Basically whatever they have decided, they had decided best for you. So surrender obsessive thinking is an important message for you. Devil energy, you have to surrender it. Surrender to effortless. Stop pushing so hard. The art of living means going with the flow instead of trying to force a river. Yes, surrender to effortlessness. Surrender to effortlessness. Go with the flow. Okay, Aquarius, don't push so hard. Stop pushing so hard. Okay, surrender the habit of people pleasing. Speak your needs and be true to yourself. Focus on your own happiness instead of always trying to make everyone else happiness. That's the biggest problem many of the Aquarius face. Okay, they are the born givers. I know this, that Aquarius are the born givers, and sometimes what we do is we give excess of emotions, everything into other people's, and we forget to mention, okay, we forget to focus on our own happiness. So you need to give yourself first rather than giving someone else. You need to focus on your happiness first rather than any other person happiness. Okay, focus on yourself, not on any other person. Don't please anyone else. Okay, surrender the habit of people pleasing as soon as possible, Aquarius. Any other message? Surrender your attachments to results. The formula for success is do all you can to make things happen, then let go of the results. Holding on too tightly to a desired outcome can sabotage it. Yes. Surrender your attachments to result. Don't focus on results, that what is the result of this relationship, or what is the result of this situation or decision what I am taking. Okay, don't put so much tightly desired outcome, because you cannot change the result, Aquarius. You can give only 100% to a situation, you cannot change the result, or you cannot more. You have to focus on yourself by giving the 100% to that situation or that relationship, whatever it is. But you cannot more. If you attach to the results, so you will sabotage it. Okay, you will destroy the relationship. Okay, you will destroy the things. So don't focus on the results. Okay, don't focus yourself to the attachment of the results. Leave them, leave the results you will get to know. Okay, any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Okay, that was flying. Surrender to inner peace. Cultivate inner peace on a daily basis. In quiet meditative moments, focus on the stillness within and enjoy the inner refuge. Others will feel your good vibes too, and your life will flow more easily. Surrender to inner peace. Very important. Inner peace is very important in life, Aquarius. Surrender resentments. Holding on the resentments only poison you. Try to forgive others for their shortcomings and keep moving forward towards positive situations in life. Surrender resentments. Very important. Okay, any other message? Okay, that was fast and quick. Surrender negative thinking. You have control over your thoughts. When negative thoughts surface, say thank you for sharing and quickly refocus on positive affirmations. Surrender negative thinking. Very important message for you, Aquarius. Okay. Next is surrender to the wisdom of your body. Listen to your body messages about a person or situation. If you feel physically drained or uncomfortable, be cautious. If you are energized and happy, move forward. Yes, Aquarius. If you are with some person and if you are feeling your energy is draining, you are not happy, okay, so leave them as soon as possible. These person are draining your energy. Okay, they are energy suckers basically. So they're sucking your energy, they're giving you negative energy, that's why you are feeling it. So listen to the body wisdom. Okay, your body will tell you everything. But if you are feeling very happy, if you're feeling more loving, happy, in a good vibe, then you can continue that relationship, you can continue talking to that person, you can continue be with that person, because that is not an energy sucker, that is the energy healer or energy giver. Okay, that is a positive vibe in your life. So just listen to the wisdom of your body. My ears was numb for 2 seconds right now, and I was listening some bell, like a temple bell. Ting, like that. Okay, like a singing ball or a bell. I was listening that. Okay, that is a confirmation from the divine that yes, that's true. Thank you so much for confirming it. Surrender to passion. Any other message? Beautiful ring. It's like ting. Okay, beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, God, universe, for giving a confirmation through my ears, I can say. Very important message, Aquarius. Surrender to the wisdom of your body. Surrender to passion. Get out of your head and feel the fire in your belly. Focus on the people and activity that ignite your passion and let it flow. Surrender to passion. Okay, So these are the messages which you need to surrender as soon as possible so that you can achieve you want to achieve in your life, Aquarius. So yeah, these were the messages from the Power of Surrender card. Where is my deck? Oh, 1 minute. Okay, here it is. Thank you so much, Power of Surrender cards, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So these are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius all over the world. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. I have given all the messages which I was getting, and let me add this. This is calling me that please add me. Maybe this deck is having some message for you. Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. Let me add, because I was closing my reading here because it's already been half an hour. It's already been too long, but let me add because awakening, you are getting your awakening. Wow, let me add some messages. That's why I just feel that I need to add some message from this. Let me see what are the messages. Help me out to give the messages. Union. You are going, some of you Aquarius are getting back union with your soulmate because you are on a twin flame journey, Aquarius. You are getting back to the union. There is a bottom of the deck. I'm having choice. You're making a choice and you're getting back with your union. Wow. Yeah, shadow self and nature. 1 minute, I need to get the AC off. It's very cold here. Okay, nature is trying to heal you out. 2020 was the recording reading time, so nature is trying to guide you. Maybe there are some messages from the nature. Just try to focus on nature, Aquarius. Go out in the nature, take a deep breath, spend some time in nature. Nature is talking to you, is trying to give you some messages. Shadow self, you have to work on your shadow self, Aquarius. You have to work on your shadow self. Wow. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Adventure. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Adventure is waiting for you. Those of you have not worked on your shadow self, till you have to work on your shadow self, Aquarius, okay? So that you can get union with your twin flame. Once you have done on your shadow self work, once you have worked on your shadow self, then you will be able to get back with your twin flame, okay? That's very important. That's why I was getting attracted towards this deck. Yeah, see, freedom. Bottom of the deck, I'm having freedom, and I'm stopping here because they're asking me to stop. Freedom. You're getting your freedom back. You're getting more wisdom. Each of the deck is having this owl energy. You are getting more intuitive. 0333 was the recording reading time. You're getting more intuitive now. You're getting more wisdom now. You're getting downloads from the universe. You're getting back your freedom, Aquarius. Dreams. Follow your dreams. Focus on the dreams you are having, okay? Maybe dreams are having message for you. Peace, very important message. Find out your peace, or you are getting back your peace, Aquarius. Change is coming towards you. Change is happening in your life. It's coming towards you. Something is changing in your life, and it's the next card with your shadow self. Once you done your shadow self work, changing is happening. This is the message for those Aquarius which have completed their shadow self work, okay? So once you have done your shadow self work, or you need to work on your shadow self so that the change can enter your life. But change is happening in your life, and it's happening for a good reason, because you need to reunite with your twin flame. You are here for a reason on earth, Aquarius. Wow. You're getting your freedom back. You are getting your freedom back. Okay. So yeah, these are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. I tried my level best to give all the messages for my beautiful Aquarius. I will try to make one more video in which I'm going to do your soulmate reading. Okay. Till the time, take care, Aquarius, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get as much as messages for you, Aquarius. Okay, till the time, take care and bye bye.